I have here in the Mini Lathe a 3/4 inch diameter piece of 303 stainless protruding out from the chuck approximately 2 1/4 inches, and I'm going to machine this and try to take a pretty heavy cut. What I'm going to try to do here is about 1000 RPM, 1100 RPM, somewhere in that range. And I'm going to feed it at the standard feed rate for the Mini Lathe, which is approximately 4 thousandths per rev. I'm going to try to take a depth of cut of 50 thousandths per side, so removing 100 thousandths off the diameter of a 3/4 inch piece. Now the tool I have in here is a inserted carbide tool from I think the brand name is APT or APT, and the insert that's in there, actually the tool holder gives the insert, sets the insert in there in a manner where it has 5 degrees positive top rake, and the clearance angles on the side of those, on the side of that triangular insert, it's ground all over with a 10 thousandths radius on the tip. And anyway, the side clearance on those inserts, I believe it's 11 degrees. But anyway, I'm going to set this up and turn the lathe on and show you how this can handle that. So here we go. I got the RPM at about 1100, something like that. And again, I'm feeding at 4 thousandths per rev. I'm going to dial it in for a 50 thousandths depth of cut after I just pick up the material here. There we go. So I'm going to dial that in for a 50 thousandths depth of cut and see what happens here. Look at that baby shaking that material off. I'm going to stop it right now. Back it off. I'm going to go back out and I'm going to give it an additional 25 thousandths movement on the cross slide. So at first it's going to take a 25 thousandths cut, and then when it gets back into this heavy area here, it'll be 75 thousandths per side. So we'll see how that goes. Well, you saw that. Now that's a fast rate of metal removal. You didn't hear any chatter, a little bit of squealing, but that's a pretty deep cut for light lathe. So that's my demonstration on this piece. So thank you for watching.